Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. You're interested in this F-150? Well, you're going to love this video. This is the 2017. Stock number is 7300. Take notice of the virtual video walk around. The exterior condition of this truck, absolutely impeccable. This is the FX4 edition, of course. Making our way around the exterior, you're going to find there's no dents, no dings, no scratches. Absolutely flawless. Does have the tow package. Nice little bed liner. Sunset Ford, home of warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. We just give you more here at Sunset Ford. Look at all the ample legroom in the interior rear. Nice moonroof for visibility and brightness. Power side steps, gotta love that. And making our way into the driver's front seat. Leather loaded, everything you can imagine. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. It's at one place and one place only. For more information on this truck or any other trucks or vehicles in our inventory, visit us online, give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. We look forward to meeting you. We look forward to earning your business. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.